Welcome back. Well, a dreary one across the area today, but hey, happy Thanksgiving. It was a wonderful day to get together with family and friends, gorge, and now we're left with when are we going to see the sun? And hopefully it'll be coming out tomorrow. Oh, cue the song. Let's go ahead and take a look at the big picture as we look at the water vapor of a dream. We've been dominated by the subtropical jet stream for much of this week, but hey, we got a little bit of a dry slot trying to come in the wake of this upper level low. So we got about a 24-hour window of some dry weather before the next upper level system encroaches in and hooks up with the subtropical jet stream, yielding more rain as we get into Saturday night and Sunday. But in the near term, things are quieting down, but we look off to the north and west. Big winter storm here, sprawling winter storm that's going to be moving out of the Rockies. And behind this, we're going to get a frontal boundary that's going to be pushing on through as we head into Sunday. That's going to chill us off as we head into next week. There are going to be some 30s in the forecast, mostly mid to upper 30s, so a little bit of a winter chill on the way. The upper level low, here it is. It's kind of bumping into a surface ridge of high pressure, so we thought we'd see at least sprinkles. A lot of the precip that we saw today on the radars really wasn't hitting the ground, but a lot of it kind of working its way down to the ground. So it did get wet for a while during the course of the day today. Regional Doppler radar showing us the best rains off to the north and east of us now. And as we put things in motion, you can see here's that center of that upper level low and a little bit of a spoke that's coming out of it, running into that ridge of high pressure that's trying to squelch the shower activity. Here's Power Doppler 3. All is quiet now, but you can see what it looked like over the last 6 hours with that rain pushing on out. Now, we're not showing a whole lot locally at this hour, but plenty of misty drizzles are going to be in the forecast. Just a few sprinkles out there from time to time. You'll see them on the windshield, but they'll be more of a nuisance. It should not be enough to wet the ground unless our humidity gets to 100%, which will be close to that, but we see enough of a temperature dew point spread where we're probably going to not see that overnight tonight. We will see overcast skies, some of those sprinkles through daybreak tomorrow. We start off dreary looking for our Friday, but both models are our high resolution models indicating we're going to see some sun in the afternoon. So that should get temperatures into the mid 60s at least briefly and cheer us up a little bit. And Saturday starts off mostly sunny, but then we begin to cloud up in advance of this frontal boundary, another upper level low. But it's a complicated forecast going into Saturday night. I think we're going to see more green than what we're seeing here. I just stopped this at a random time, 3 a.m. Sunday morning, not showing a whole lot of rain. Question is there a low in a gulf going to take over, or are we going to see a little bit of a low pressure trough along this frontal boundary? Bottom line, we're going for rain Saturday night into Sunday morning, and then it should be drier going into Sunday afternoon as this cool front pushes on through. Subtropical jet stream, this is where we were this evening. That's a little bit of a maxima. That's why we had the precip today. And what we look for in El Nino winters is the subtropical jet stream getting systems in it and producing rain. And what you want to also notice is the orientation of the jet from the southwest to the northeast. This one's not quite southwest, it's west-southwest. So whatever's coming through Sunday is going to be a quick mover, and you look to be in the right rear quadrant of the jet stream if you're looking for rain and thunderstorms. So we do have some rains on the way for Sunday, then a bit of a breakthrough in the middle part of next week, then perhaps another series of systems coming in toward the end of next week. And this is almost looking atmospheric riverish with a dip down to the equator. And again, we're talking about the jet stream here, so we're going to be on an active pattern with plenty of clouds and probably more rain toward the end of the week. Here's the European model showing the rain Sunday morning. May be overdone, but it shows a lot more coverage. And then Sunday afternoon, it's quiet. We get that chilly part of the midweek period, and then here comes more rainy systems as we head into Thursday and perhaps the following weekend as well. As for rainfall, this is a tough nut to crack. We're going to go somewhere between a ½ inch or less for most. The Euro looks to be a little bit too wet through Sunday, but then look what the Euro does with those weather systems as we get into next week. It pours on the rain, whereas the GFS not quite on board, and the GFS has been doing a little bit better of late. ½ inch of rain or in that vicinity with the Saturday night, Sunday rains, and then more rains toward the end of the week. Bottom line, though, clouds are going to be locked in. It's going to look dreary for the bulk of the 10-day forecast, 7 out of those 10 days anyway. Upper 40s to near 50 tonight. Tomorrow we'll climb into the low to mid 60s during the course of the afternoon. afternoon. Hopefully a little sun in the afternoon as well. It will be chillier though for tomorrow night. Overnight tonight, 49 is going to be your low with overcast skies and some misty sprinkles out there from time to time. Light east-northeast winds. And then hopefully tomorrow after morning clouds, we'll see the sun coming out during the course of the afternoon. So we'll see brighter skies ahead, especially the afternoon hours, and your true view skies showing that as well. Moving into the 10-day forecast, again, the Saturday not looking too bad. Rain chance at about 70-80% Saturday night, 60% early Sunday, and then a chilly stretch right here. Look at these lows, upper 30s for Lafayette. That means mid-30s elsewhere, and then back to a cloudy and rainy and unsettled pattern as we round out next week and head toward the first weekend of December. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.